Hello everyone. You all must have heard about eye donation and its importance. But why am I talking about it now? Because every year from 25th of August to 8th of September is celebrated as Eye Donation Fortnight. What is the importance of it? There are over 11 lakh blind people in India waiting for transplantation and getting a sight, and approximately 25,000 new cases keep on adding to it. So what is eye transplant? Is whole eye removed during transplantation? No, not in all cases. There is a transparent layer in our eye called cornea, and sometimes even the white part called sclera are harvested, and only if the eyes are being donated for research purposes, in that case whole eye is being removed. So this process takes about 15 to 30 minutes, and it has to be done within 6 to 8 hours after the death of the person, and the harvested tissue has to be transplanted to the needy people within 4 days, that is 96 hours. Who all can donate eyes? Everyone, irrespective of age, gender, religion, even including those who have cataract and refractive errors, can donate eyes. Who cannot donate eyes? Those who have AIDS, hepatitis B and C, rabies, tetanus, cholera and other infectious diseases like meningitis, encephalitis, and those with acute leukemia, that is blood cancer. Can these donated eyes solve all types of blindness? No, it can solve only the corneal blindness. How many people can benefit from one donor? Speaking about cornea, one cornea donor can give sight to 2 people, whereas one scleral button can be used to restore sight in up to 5 recipients. How do you nominate yourself for donation? You can register online or also fill out an application form and send to the nearby eye bank. They will register your name and also give you an acknowledgement in the form of a donor card. What if a person has died and he has not registered for a donation and you still want to donate eyes? Is it possible? Definitely yes. The family members of the deceased person can still give consent and donate the eyes. Does donating eyes cause any disfigurement to the dead person? No. So how should you proceed with the donation when a person dies? You need to contact nearest eye bank as soon as possible. Eye bank people will come and they will carry out all the process, and all the cost that is concerned with the process will be taken care by the eye bank people. So how will you take care of the eyes till eye bank people arrive? First, raise the head using a pillow, close eyes and place moist cotton on the eyes. Place ice cubes on the forehead, then switch off the fans and switch on AC if available. Let's share this information and awareness to as many people as possible. Burst the myths associated with eye donation. Let's facilitate more blind people to get sight and to let them live a better life. Thank you.